So shorter, but usually like my height or above.
Okay, so I'm 6'1", so we're we're matching.
I'm married. Sorry.
Damn it. Alright guys, welcome to the Cheeky Truth. This is where we ask the cheekiest questions on the Las Vegas Strip. Let's go find the truth.
Fucking amazing.
You have to make yourself look not as good as you actually do. That's where people get fooled. They think they should post the hottest pictures.
So they over deliver.
You need to walk into the date and them to be like, damn.
That makes sense.
You're better looking than I thought.
I've actually got a friend that did that. She's gorgeous, and she posted normal pictures, but she's a rock star.
I
Yeah.
post like the nice picture.
No, you cannot
I
do
didn't
any
know that.
filters. No
That makes
filters.
So you want to dull yourself down a bit,
Yes.
and then upsell and over deliver when you meet
They
them.
walk in and they're like, oh.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So there's a sense of relief because you're actually better than they expected.
Yes.
I
That
like
makes
that.
sense.
That's
Yeah, I like
definitely
that
what
too.
You can take the mic, I can be the dating coach. Swipes right on you, they go to your profile.
Super straightforward.
Okay, so what would you
Some
say?
guys don't like that.
I think that's good.
I just don't beat around the bush.
So what would you say?
I don't beat around the bush.
That would literally.
Yeah.
What else would you say though?
About myself, probably
Yeah.
that I like to go out. I'm into sport. Well, I was an athlete in high school, and I
Yeah.
kind of still work out. Not as
Okay.
often as I should, but yeah.
Okay. Anything
So
else?
adventure is my thing.
Adventure. Okay.
I have a shoe fetish.
Interesting. Interesting. That's a good one. So do you think they want to scare a guy off?
Probably.
So you really want the guy to know that, or you want
Yeah.
the guy to know what he's getting himself into?
You have to make enough lettuce to support my shoe fetish.
Oh. What is a shoe fetish? Explain this to me.
Just shoes. I like shoes.
How many shoes do you have?
A lot.
How many's a lot?
I have all my shoes from high school and I'm 31, so you tell me.
How many? What, hundreds?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Support that.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
That honestly, I don't have a Tinder, but
If you did,
if
if you
I
did.
Just looking for a fun time, like not a STD kind of time, but a fun time, a fun time.
So like a good date, a good experience.
Yes.
But not just like a random hookup.
Not like a random hookup, but like a
Gotcha.
good time.
And you gotta put that in your profile.
I'll put it in my bio. Honestly, I don't know.
What are you gonna? And
I
then
think I'm going
what would
off
you-
the same
what
with
would
her.
you say the same?
I would say the exact same.
About me.
About you, yeah. Do you want to know your hobbies, what you do for career, your goals, your favorite quote, your favorite movie?
I like to eat.
You like
So
to
if he wants to take me out to eat, he's got to know, if we're going to date.
that you like to eat.
Yeah, I gotta
What's
take
your favorite food? Everything.
Barbecue.
Okay, Texas. You just put yourself in it. So it's got to be like, I love to eat, barbecue. If you want to take me out, this is what you got to do.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts?
I like to drink.
Oh, really? So if you're gonna date me, you got to eat, you got to drink.
Yeah.
Okay.
My height,
How tall are you?
5'9".
Okay, so you need to have someone taller than you.
No, I really don't care about that. I just want them to know.
That you're tall.
Yeah, that I'm tall.
So they rock up to the date and they're like, crap. So you just want to give them a heads up.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
I like that.
I don't put a lot in my bio because I feel like I don't want to give too much away, because then somebody's going to try to match that and it's not going to be genuine.
Okay.
So I
it's
give
trying
just
to tell you
enough.
what they think
Yeah,
you want
they're
to
going to
hear.
try to make up something that they're actually not.
Okay, so manipulating the information.
Absolutely,
okay.
yeah.
So what do
I
you
don't
put?
trust people.
No, that's fair enough. So what do you put?
So I talk about basic character traits like kind,
Are you kind?
compassionate.
Are you
I
compassionate?
feel like I'm kind, yes.
Okay.
Absolutely, I do.
Yep.
Yeah.
Apparently, I just put that I'm not drinking vodka and I'm not drinking tequila, how tall I am, and apparently that's it. I think it's only supposed to know.
What? You put your height in there because you're tall?
Yes. Oh,
Okay.
you can tell it.
So how tall are you?
I'm 5'10".
So you're 5'10", so you put your height in there. So you want guys to know that you're tall, so they're
Yeah,
shorter not to try, or?
If you're short, sometimes the shorter guy have a lot of confidence and they actually text things to me like, I'm 5'6" and I'm actually want to date you. And you're like, okay, man, I'm gonna no, sure, can't.
But no chance?
No.
So you won't date a guy shorter than you?
No.
Can you handle it?
Ooh, can you handle me?
No.
Can you handle?
I like to make the party start. I like to make sure everybody's having fun and everybody's good with it,
Okay.
having a good time. But if he can't handle that, sorry.
Okay.
And get girls worth 1,000 bitches.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you got in yours? If you had a bio, what would you put in it?
My height,
I like that. So you don't want. Okay, I like that. So you just want to. You don't want anyone shorter.
Everybody, I want to be up front.
So how much taller is the guy got to be than you?
He can be. I've dated inch or
3 inches,
so
2 inches.
shorter, but usually like my height or above.
Okay, so I'm 6'1", so we're like, we're matching.
I'm married. Sorry.
Damn it.
That's the hardest part. I've had friends ask me what to put for their bio, and I have no idea.
So what's your thoughts? Just say you had to. You're on the spot here.
I don't know. I'd probably describe my hobbies, and it'd be really lame. And I
What are your
probably,
hobbies? What are your hobbies? Give me an example bio now.
I don't know.
Hi, my name's Paige. I'm from.
Bellingham.
I like hiking and tennis.
Yeah, there you go.
And what else? What else do guys want to know? What else should the guys know?
I don't know. I feel like guys, I feel like it's mainly the photo. I don't feel like they read the bio as much. But
I kind of agree. I agree. What should a guy put in his bio?
Dick size.
Height. Dick size? Penis size?
It's so easy.
Penis size? Is that what you said?
yes.
Really?
Yeah, that's-
What's a good penis size you should put in then? What's a minimum penis size? Minimum.
To 10 inches.
What's the minimum?
Can I just show it?
Yeah, show me. Show the camera.
Okay.
But seriously.
Yeah, but seriously, like, no.
How big is that? That's pretty big.
I mean,
That's pretty big.
No,
All right, so big penis, show it off. If you don't have one, don't put it.
Yeah, but it's.
Show your height.
Yes.
What else should a guy put in there? Hobbies.
Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go for a date?
Okay. So like making his intentions clear. I want to date you, or I want to kind of nothing serious.
No, actually, it doesn't matter. Just like, if we're gonna match and we're gonna talk, I want you to take you for hiking, or I want to take you for a nice dinner, or I want to take you whatever on the Fremont. I don't know. Just just to know what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Definitely not your height.
Not your height.
Guys who list their height in their bio.
It's probably a lie.
And they're
Probably really short.
So I've actually been told several times height's a really good thing by a girl.
It is, but don't brag about it. Don't put it in your bio.
Yeah.
Don't brag about it. Okay. I've heard opposite. What else do you want to see in there?
I don't know. Maybe like something funny.
Like what? It's easy to say that.
Like
What
a
type of
or
joke?
something. I don't know. Just like, I don't know.
Help me out here. Help the guys. Help the guys out there. What do you want to see?
Something like. Sometimes it's funny if they say something cheesy.
Yeah.
Okay, so like cheesy.
It just makes you laugh.
Okay.
You're like, oh, that's stupid.
I want to know that they are a decent human being.
And what do you look for in a bio from that? Got you now. It's easy to say, but I actually want to hear the truth. What's in the bio?
I think you actually have to say it non-verbally.
Explain this to my audience. I get a lot of guys out there who want this help.
If you have a picture, it's easier for me to say what not to do than what is
that's
to
what I'm
do.
finding. Every girl tells us what not to
If you have
do.
a picture of yourself in front of a car or an expensive home, or you're wearing expensive things, like some girls are gonna go for that, but not your wife or your future wife. They're not going to go for that. That's gonna get you like gold digger status.
Okay, so if you're considering marrying a guy, you want a long-term relationship,
Yeah.
what do you want to see?
Long-term relationship. You want to.
What do you personally want to see?
You want to know that they love kids, that they like animals, that they care about the world and like life events.
Okay.
That they're intelligent and smart and funny.
This is on like 100 characters, guys.
That he has a job.
He's got a job. Good. What else?
No baby mamas.
No baby mamas. Okay. What else?
He has a car.
So it's just like, I own a car.
Yeah.
So he literally just writes, I have a job and I own a car.
And no baby mamas.
And I have no baby. Okay.
Like
yeah.
what
You
they
look.
do.
Your occupation?
Yes, their occupation. I want to see
Yeah.
No,
that.
if you're a doctor, a lawyer,
I do.
I'm swiping left.
No,
Okay.
why?
Because it's just douchey. I don't know. I like
Educated guys are douchey.
I
Sorry.
like you in person, but it's just like those people always tell you in the first sentence, I'm a physician.
I hear.
Like I don't know. I like to know what people do because like it helps me, and also like their zodiac sign.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's a really good point because guys don't give a shit about that.
Oh,
but every girl seems to care about that.
I do. I'm like,
I'm changing my Tinder when I get home.
You like
Sagittarius.
You like your family.
compatible.
You like
Okay.
sports.
Yeah. So hobbies, interests.
Hobbies, yes.
Okay.
yes.
So things you can relate to.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I like.
Like,
What do you want to?
How many baby mama you got? How much shit?
How many kids you got?
How
many
much
kids?
luggage I gotta carry with you?
Okay.
Like, be
So,
real.
like, how many kids you've got? How much baggage you have?
Something like that. Like.
What else? What else?
money you make?
Yeah, like something like.
Really?
At least if you can carry your own weight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can carry my own weight. No children. Do. And that's gonna help. Okay.
Just nothing like some dumb bullshit. I don't want any like.
Stop telling me what you don't want. Tell me what
I
you do
don't want some things like saying how you're the best at this or you're, the top this. Like I just want truth and like coolness. Like.
So
don't
give me an example.
Like just tell me like that you like to hang out and have fun. Don't be like, oh, I'm
Is that
not.
too generic? I like to hang out and have fun.
Like, but don't tell me like I'm top of my class at this and I'm this and this and this. Like I'll be like, that's a turn off.
Okay.
Just
What do you
don't
want?
brag. Don't.
What do you want
brag.
to
I don't
see?
even know. I don't know. Probably kind of the opposite a little.
Do you want to see height? Do you want to see
I mean,
like
I would love to
occupation? Do you want to see?
Yes, I would love to see occupation.
Because
Okay.
if you're like a killer or something, I don't know.
Yeah. Love
Say occupation killer is okay.
That's the next swipe. There we go.
I would love to see occupation. Love to see him like going out and doing things instead of just sitting at home
Okay.
watching
Yeah.
TV.
Yeah.
So active, very active.
Okay, so I don't sit at home and play video games. I have a life. I have friends.
I want to see you like go hiking or something.
Yeah, something like just not sitting at
Adventure.
home.
I like it. He's got nice teeth. He's ironed his clothes. You go to his profile. What do you want to see?
I don't think I pay attention to the bio because anyone can write whatever they want and make themselves sound good.
What would you want to hear?
I guess adventure, that they like to
Kind of match your profile.
Yeah. To
Okay,
match my
straightforward.
profile.
They're adventurous.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Probably like they like dogs. I love dogs like me. Probably what else? But like to travel a lot.
Okay, I like that. I think they're good answers. Okay.
Guy's bio.
You like the picture. You go to the bio.
A catchy phrase or something, like something from like a show, like Seinfeld or something. I don't know.
So you like
a quote,
Seinfeld.
yeah.
So it's got to. So you got to catch on the Seinfeld.
Yeah, so
What if the next girl likes Dexter? It's gonna be a Dexter quote.
I don't watch Dexter, so
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you just go straight over your head.
Like something that I watch, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
Seinfeld's the most like.
Should the guy put his height, his hobbies,
I guess so.
his
I
kids? How many times is he married? Like, what do you want to see?
mean, if he's married, I hope he doesn't have a Tinder.
I
Is the
hope
real
so.
thing.
What else would you want to see in there?
But that's about it. Puppy, hiking, Seinfeld quote. Good looking, I'd probably be sold.
Okay.
Has a job, that he has goals, and that he's tall.
Okay.
Baseline.
I like that. You're just going to back this up, aren't you?
His height. No. I also wanted to know when I was looking if they were looking for something serious or just to hang out.
Okay.
Or kids.
Oh, what? Oh, if they want to have kids. Oh,
No,
if they do have
them
kids.
already. Yeah.
Okay. So height, let you know they got to have kids, serious relationship. You guys are pretty harsh. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up if you liked that episode. Hit that subscribe button below. Be sure to check out our website, thecheekytruth.com. If you like what we do, you can now support us on Patreon. There's a link in the description. See you next time. Stay cheeky.